What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am showing y'all how I went from black to ginger with this kinky straight lace frontal wig. I did the bleach bath method, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's begin. All right, so I got this hair from Allrent's Hair on AliExpress. I ordered it back in May. I actually filmed like the whole dyeing process in May. I just didn't feel like putting it on my head because I feel like ginger is like a fall color. So since we're in fall, I was like, why not just put this video out now? You know what I mean? So I used my Sinos Blondie hair lightener, and then I also used a bunch of different developers. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. For the specs of the hair is kinky straight, and I use 16 inches, 18 inches, 20 inches, and 22-inch bundles with a 14-inch frontal. Not even gonna hold you, this hair is trash. It gave me so much problems dyeing, like bleaching it. Like I bleached a bundle separately because I only used 3 of the bundles for the entire wigs. I didn't use all 4. So one of the bundles I just decided, I'm okay, if I need to add more body to the hair or more volume, let me just bleach these bundles separately. That specific bundle, for some weird reason, went completely straight. I don't know what happened. I contacted the seller. She tried telling me there's still curvature. I'm like, sister, ain't no curvature. And she tried telling me to, oh, deep condition it, the curls will come back. I'm like, if the curls disappeared with chemical processing, what makes you think that the curls will come back with a simple silicone mix? It don't make no sense. But anyways, we are just mixing everything in the bucket. We are in the laundry room. I love dyeing hair in the laundry, well, bleaching hair in the laundry room, because the sink is deep. And the water, for some reason, that's where the water gets the hottest in the house. Like it gets to like almost boiling. So we used the hot water from the sink, and then we also boiled some water in the kettle, and then we're mixing everything together. I like to mix the developer and the bleach powder first together before adding the hot water, because it does something with the consistency if I put the water in before the developer. It's weird, I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna dunk the hair over and over again, making sure that we're combing it through so that each strand gets bleached evenly. And then I'm just gonna let it rock for 20 minutes, and then I'll be right back. So after about 20 minutes, I reached the desired lift level that I wanted to get for this hair. Because again, I didn't need to go all the way up, and I really didn't think it was going to go any higher. Because girl, it was, I want to say it was like grade 7A hair. And 7A hair only gets up to like a honey blonde, not even a honey blonde, like a little bit darker than a honey blonde. I would say like if you're going to like a hair store, it would reach about color 30. So I didn't really, I mean, considering this was the color I was trying to achieve, I wasn't like perturbed by it. But like if you're trying to achieve like a platinum blonde, going from black to platinum blonde, this hair is not for you. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, it is not for you. I ordered this hair because I was in between bulk orders with my specific vendor, so I was like, okay, let me just try out different vendors from AliExpress to see like what's tea, you know what I mean? But anyways, we're gonna rinse out the hair, making sure that it is completely free of all the bleach and all that stuff. I don't know what happened. Something went wrong here, because trying to detangle this wig, for some weird reason, it got tangled so bad. I did not include the clips in this because I swiftly turned off the camera because I was getting frustrated. But trying to like detangle it, for some reason it got super tangled in the water, which made no sense. But girl, it was a lot. It was a lot. All right, so now we are about to do the watercolor. I used 2 Adore colors and then 1 color by Beijing. The 2 Adore colors I used was Intense Red and Orange Flame, and then the color by Beijing is Medium Warm Brown. I mean, I could have just used like paprika or like Cajun spice, but I didn't have that, and I didn't feel like going to my dad's store to go pick it up. So or have him wait for him to drop it off. So I just used what I had in my hair closet and I just mixed everything together. I cannot give you the proper measurements of each color that I used because I don't know, you know. Y'all see me dumping it in this bowl and mixing it, you know, like I don't know the exact measurements. Okay, but anyways, we're using a whisk to mix it all to make sure that the color is even. And then we are going to, if this clip would just hurry up and end, thank you very much. We are going to pour the color into the bucket that I used to bleach bath it, and then we are going to just keep mixing water and also using boiling water as well so that it can like penetrate the hair. All right, so now we're going to just dunk the wig in. I didn't really have to worry about I didn't spray the lace like I typically do with all the other colors that I watercolor, because I didn't think it was gonna stick, because girl, this lace was thick as hell. So I wasn't worried about the lace getting stained, but I just made sure to keep dunking it in and then combing the hair through, and then I let it sit in the water for 10 minutes before I rinse it out with cool water. All right, so now we are doing the wig install. I decided I do not want to do a bald cap method because my head was already itchy for some reason. I don't know. It was a fresh braid down, but I think the oil that I used, I don't think it agrees with my head top. So my head was already itchy and I was like, I'm not doing a bald cap method because I am not going to keep this wig in for more. I wanted to originally keep it in for 3 days. This wig was removed 2.5 hours after I finished filming because the way my head was itchy, it was like I don't know what I was going through. I don't know, but I had to take the wig off very quickly, and then also had to wash my hair that night because it was a lot for me. Okay, it was a lot. But anyways, I was using one of my old foundations to tint the lace so that it can like blend with my head top, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna put it on my head. To be honest with y'all have seen me apply frontal wigs, you know, and since this wasn't like a technical install, you know what I mean, I feel like we good to go, you know. So just vibe out to the music and I will check in periodically. Okay. Oh, I'm back. Okay, I'm showing y'all the hair glue that I like to use. It's the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive. What's it called? The Extreme Firm Hold. Yeah, love this glue. I cannot install a frontal with a wig spray for some reason. I don't know how. I don't know. I'm a glue girl for frontals, sprays for closures. For some reason, I just can't get a proper, like, a seamless application or install with a spray. Maybe I'll reach that one day so that I can like easily take the wig off after I'm done, because I don't like to go to bed with the wigs on, as mentioned in my other install videos. But yeah, one day I'll get better. But yeah, I'm spreading out the lace, making sure that it is even. And although you see me here putting it on, like putting the lace on, the glue is not clear, because listen, this glue does not get clear until you tie it down. I learned my lesson with my reverse skunk stripe wig install that I did, I think a month ago, I'm not sure. But you have to tie it down. It will not get clear. I don't know, but it gets clear after you like tie it down. It doesn't get clear like when you have to wait for it to get tacky or whatever. Girl, it gets tacky fast as hell. So you have to tie it down for it to like dry down clear. See, it's clear, you know? So now I'm just like combing the hairline so that it like frees up from the glue, and then making so that the hairline I can like mold it down and stuff. But yeah, anyways, I'm checking out again, y'all. I will talk to y'all again at the end of the video. Okay, bye bye. Alrighty, and time for the grand reveal. Okay, I decided last minute that I was not going to put makeup on because listen, wig installs do not have to include makeup by force. It's not that deep, and I was tired, so I didn't want to do makeup. So I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do bare face, do a little brow, and that's it. Okay, but yeah, we're doing the NYX no filter finishing powder to press into the hairline for even seamless install, and then this is the final look. All right, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with more wig installs and hair wig tutorials. All right, bye.